Hello viewers, this is Mukhtar Ahmed and you are watching Learning Hand. Today we are gonna understand the basic difference between have, has and had so that you can learn the correct usage of these words. Watch this video till the end so that you can get the clear idea about the difference between these terms with the help of examples. Basically, all these three words have, has and had are verbs but in different forms, which means to possess something. For example, I have a car, which means I possess a car. So let's understand the difference between these words. Have is a verb in a form of do. Has is also a verb which is in a does form. And had is also a verb but it is in a did form. Here, have and has are used in present tense and had is used in past tense. Have and has shows the position of something at present time. Now we possess it. And had shows the position of something in past. Both the words have and has are used in present tense and their meaning is also same. But what is the difference between them? The difference between these two words is based on the subject of the sentence. We use the word have to show the position of all the subjects except third person singulars. Example, I, we, you, they or any plural noun. And we use the word has to show the position of only third person singular subjects. For example, he, she, it, this, that or any singular noun. To show the position in present tense, we use has with third person singular subjects and have with remaining all the subjects. But to show the position in past, we have only one word, that is had. There won't be any change according to the subject in the sentence. We use had with all the subjects, even if it is any third person singular. With all the subjects, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, this, that or any noun, we use had to show the position in past. Let's see some examples to make it more clear. First, let us see the examples for present tense. I have a car. That means I possess a car in this time. Here in this sentence, subject is not a third person singular. That's why we are using have in this sentence. What if there is a subject which is a third person singular? We use has with it. For example, he has a car. Let us see the examples for past tense. I had a car. That means I had a car in my past. Let's take one more sentence to make it more clear. He had a car. Here in the first sentence, subject is not a third person singular. And in the second sentence, the subject is a third person singular. But we are using the same word had with both kind of subjects to show their position. Because there won't be any change of words in past according to the subjects in the sentence. Because we have only one option to show the position in past tense. I hope you liked the video and you understood this concept. But if you have any doubt about this topic, you can drop it in the comments. We will try to clear your doubts. And stay tuned on our platform to keep learning. Thank you.